Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to do this bell jhumkas. The things what we require is a teardrop cutter, then jhumka mold, and you need some round impression tools. Whatever is available you can use it. Two sizes we need, and some U hooks of nichrome wire. Now roll out the clay into the stud thickness, which I have already explained in my previous video. You can just go and have a look. Now cut two teardrop shape studs for the jhumkas with the cutter. And remove the extra clay. Now once you have cut out the teardrop shape one, make sure that there are no uneven edges and there are no impressions or anything. So smear a little oil and give a good finishing onto the stud base. This is very important step. Without doing this, the finishing of your terracotta jewelry will not come out well. This is the most important one. Make sure that there are no uneven edges or any corrections which are required to be done at this step. The finishing is very important in terracotta jewelry. Repeat the same for the other one also. Now let's do some round impressions. First use the bigger one and make an impression. Now the bigger one is done. Now what I'll do is I'll do it for the other one also. Now I'm doing it with the smaller one. To the middle of the bigger round, I am using the smaller round impression. Now to this, attach a U hook exactly to the middle. See, exactly it should come to the middle of the stud. So it will be easier to attach the jhumka for that. Now you need two round balls of the clay of equal size. To this also you need to attach a U hook. Now let's make some jhumka. I'm using that size. You can just press the clay and just press it in the middle so that it makes a hollow shape, and also the extra clay can be removed. Now make two of the same size jhumkas. Now take the jhumkas in your hand and first use the bigger round and make a round impression, and exactly to the opposite side make the other round impression. And now one to the middle of these two rounds and the other one on the other side. This gives us 4 rounds on the jhumka. Now the same one as we did for the stud, make the smaller round in the middle of the bigger round, and one to the exact middle of the jhumka so that you can fix the stud to that place. Repeat it for the other one also. Now fix this bell shape of bead to the jhumka with the help of a plier. So this our jhumka is ready. Now attaching to the stud. Now I'll attach it to the stud. In my next video, I'll show you on how to make the dangling bead and the stick beads. Any corrections in the jewelry can be done at this step only before the firing. Now just put the U hook in the same way as I've shown. Now just slightly press it. Make sure that there are no finger impressions onto the jewelry, otherwise the finishing will not be good. Now press it slightly with any of the tool. I am comfortable using these wooden tools, so I use it a lot. Slowly press it, make sure that it goes inside. Now our bell jhumkas are ready. Once it dries, get it fired and then do the finishing as you like. Hope you have liked the video. Please do like and subscribe to Gramvara Art Classes. Thank you.